Good day. Today is 7/29/2020, and this is session 4, part 1. We're going to install the Pi camera into the Raspberry Pi. So you can see I have the top of the case, and then we have a Raspberry Pi, and we have our Pi camera. So the camera has a ribbon, a data ribbon, with a blue backing on one side and a silver, they're metal silver tabs. They're contacts that go into the motherboard. And if you see the top of the camera, you notice that the blue backing is facing this brown and white connector. And if you flip it over, so the silver side would be facing the camera. So what we're going to do is install the camera into the camera serial interface, which there's two of them. There's one between the audio and HDMI and one on the back end by the SD card. We're going to install ours into the front part by the HDMI and the audio cable. So this silver and white ribbon carries data from the camera into the Pi. So this is considered hardware. Session 2 will be dealing with the software. So what we're going to do is carefully raise up these brown connector. There's these two ears on the outside. So you want to raise those slightly. Just kind of wiggle them up on both sides, and then it actually will come up slightly. So I'll do the back side also. It doesn't come up far, but you want to make sure you go back and forth so it's even. So then we're going to take the ribbon, and we said the blue backing is going to face the brown, and then the silver contacts are going to face the metal pins that correspond to the ribbon. So once the brown connector is up, we're going to slide in. Now the first time you do this, it's going to be a little bit tight, so go ahead and gently put some force in it, and you want to bury the silver pins evenly. If you get it not even, so if it's up on one side or the other, it'll be crooked and you won't get the camera to work. So make sure that it's in down evenly, and once you do that, then go ahead and push down these ears. I like to use both sides at the same time, and then you can actually feel it go in. And so then I turn over and I look at my ribbon, and if I see any silver sticking up or it's not even, I'm going to pull the ears up and reset. So it looks like it's in there nice and even. So you notice your case, there's a camera holder in the front. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the case on, and then carefully, now we do not want to bend this ribbon and try to beat the ribbon up. Be gentle. It's durable, but it won't withstand brute force. So then once you have it inserted, make sure if you want to take off this little red, it's plastic to protect the lens. It's for shipping. So this is how you install the Raspberry Pi. So session 2 will be enabling the camera and actually writing the software and code to make the camera work. That concludes the installing the Raspberry Pi.